Hey friends, welcome back to Purvi Magic. Today we're diving into Digitalocean, one of the top cloud hosting platforms out there. Digitalocean is a cloud hosting platform that offers scalable, reliable infrastructure for developers and businesses. It offers scalable virtual private servers (VPS) for quick resource deployment, fully managed databases like PostgreSQL, MySQL, and Redis, and a managed Kubernetes service for container-based applications. DigitalOcean's simple and transparent pricing starts as low as $5 per month, with no hidden fees. It offers fast setup, reliable uptime, and solid customer support for paid users. If you want to give DigitalOcean a try, visit to the link in the description below for a special offer. Thank you for watching. And as always, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Purvi Magic for more tech reviews,